Hey everybody, this is David. I wanted to take a couple minutes to review the e-signature process through your portal once your tax returns are complete. Last year, some people had issues navigating the e-signature process, so I wanted to create a video so that you can see step by step exactly what to do. Once your taxes are completed, I will send you an email that they are ready for you to review in your portal. And you'll also get some emails from Secure File Pro that I've uploaded documents for you to review, along with a document for you to electronically sign. You can either go to the login page as I have here, or you can click the blue sign document button in that email. Once you sign in, your home page will show that there's an e-file authorization form for you to review and sign. If you file jointly, you and your spouse will both need to sign this form. The way that I recommend you go about signing this is to go to the Files tab. Under the Files tab, you'll be able to see the 2025 tax folder I've created that has your 2025 tax return for you to review. Once you click on it, it will open up here in the browser with your full tax return for you to review. I highly recommend downloading by either clicking this button or by clicking the three dots and clicking download. This will allow you to save a copy on your computer. If I go back to the From Preparer tab, you'll see here that I have a document that needs signature. It's going to be outside of your 2025 tax folder so that it stands out. The first thing I recommend doing is clicking on the three dots and clicking preview. This will allow you to look at the form before you sign it. On this form, it will give me authorization to e-file your tax return, along with banking information if you're receiving a refund or if you owe taxes. Please confirm your routing and account number on these forms before you sign the forms. Once you sign the forms, we will file your tax return. And if we don't know that your banking information needs to be updated, we don't want to submit something that accidentally has the wrong banking information because you signed it before telling us to update your information. To recap, don't sign this if you see a wrong address or if you see incorrect banking information, because we don't want to submit something with inaccurate information to the IRS or to the state. Once you're satisfied everything is correct, you can click close to go back to your main file screen here. Now you can click needs signature and you can select the first person to sign. I have already highlighted the fields that need to be signed. So you can come in here with your mouse, or if you're on your phone, you can sign with your finger. I will click apply. Are you ready to submit any signatures? Yes, I want to submit. So I've just now completed my signature. If I click on this again, my wife, Nicole, will need to sign her portion. So let's go in here and let's say my wife, Nicole, is signing this. She will input her signature, click apply. Now it will say all signature fields have been signed. Do you want to submit the document? Click yes. The status now shows up as signed. If the status says need signature or ready for signature, then it is not completed. You need to see this green signed box showing you that everything has properly been signed. I want to reiterate, once you sign these documents, you have given us permission to e-file the tax return. This tells us you have, one, reviewed everything and all the information is accurate, and that nothing needs to be updated. Your banking information is correct, and all your profile information is also correct. Once we see an e-signature come through, we file the tax return. So please let us know if anything needs to change before you sign the forms, because we need to make adjustments so that the tax return you're signing is the correct information. At this point, I will file your tax return, and I will also send you a confirmation email that your taxes have been filed. And you will also get a couple automatic emails from the IRS and from North Carolina with your confirmation numbers that everything was successfully filed. If you have any questions about this process along the way, please let me know. I'm happy to help out, but I wanted to show you a tutorial so that hopefully when the signing process is upon us, you don't have any questions. So shoot me a text or email or phone call if you have any questions, and I'm happy to hop on a one-on-one session to discuss further. Thanks so much. Hope you guys have a great day.